Have you noticed that sometimes when you upload videos on your Instagram, the quality doesn't turn out really well, or the quality is less than what it used to be from your upload source? Now, I'm going to show you in this video how to upload high quality videos on your Instagram using your Android phone. Now, I'm using a Samsung phone for this purpose. Now, first things first you need to do is open your IG. Once you open your Instagram, go to your profile. Now you see three short lines on the top right corner. Click on it, click on settings, click on accounts, then you're going to see cellular data use. Click on that, then select upload at highest quality. Then you're good to go. Now once you have this selected, you'll be able to upload high quality videos using your Android phone. Make sure you follow me for more tech tips like this.